Hey, y'all, it's Makara, and we got a slime. And if y'all didn't know, this is a cloud slime, and it still makes like bubbles and stuff. I'm just making bubbles if you didn't know. Am I a pig? Wait, no, Hey, listen to these folks. Hold up, I can't hear. Yeah, because it's on your boy. Okay, listen. I really hope y'all can hear this. Look at that. This is just a little portion of it, but I still have. This is what it all looks like. If y'all like cloud slime, probably like on this video and I'll probably give you some. It's only $1 a piece. And best of all, it's cloud slime, so. And it makes bubbles, as you can hear. Oh, my hands are so bad.